Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable HTTPS only mode in LibreWolf. This feature ensures that all websites load securely using HTTPS whenever possible. First, open the LibreWolf Browser. Click on the menu button in the top right corner, then select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section. Look for the HTTPS only mode setting. You will see three options. Don't enable HTTPS only mode. Enable it only in private windows. Enable it in all windows. Select Enable HTTPS only mode in all windows. This will force all websites to use HTTPS whenever possible. Some websites may not support HTTPS, and you might need to make exceptions for them. To do this, click on Manage Exceptions. In the new window, type the website URL you want to exclude. Click on Turn Off or Turn Off Temporarily, and then Save Changes. That's it. Now LibreWolf will always try to load websites securely, and you can manage exceptions for sites that don't support HTTPS. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next video.